Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ambassador Matt Klimo from the United States Embassy here in Ashgabat. It's really great to see so many familiar faces, people I've worked with and known over the years that I've been here, and new faces as well, of course. And we are so lucky to have MediaNet here to help us navigate in the brave new world. If you don't know that American idiom, it's a good one, Brave New World. It's from a title of a famous book about the future and the challenges the future brings to all of us.